Yo, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to be showing you and teaching you how to grow your mailing list. So stay tuned.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long.
If you want to get more views on your YouTube gaming channel, go to growonyoutube.com/free chapter right now. When you go over there, you'll get to this page and you'll be able to discover the secret to getting more YouTube views with a free chapter of my book, A Gamer's Guide to Greatness. This free chapter will teach you how to use video SEO to bring more views to your gaming videos, how to make your videos rank on the first page of YouTube, and how to build a YouTube gaming channel that grows consistently. So definitely go to growonyoutube.com/free chapter and start growing your YouTube gaming channel today. Yo, what's going on? I'm Jay Cartere from growonyoutube.com, teaching you how to be better. And in the previous email marketing video, I talked to you guys about, what email marketing was, and I hopefully gave you a good introduction to that. If you haven't watched that video, you can check it out over there, and that should give you some good information to basically start along this process. But in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can actually grow your email list, because what's a mailing list or email list without anyone on it? Useless, basically. Like, you got no one to email, so it's not really helping you out. But I'm going to be showing you some techniques to get people to actually join your email list and to basically grow that subscribership. So let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is create a free offer or giveaway. Now, this is called a lead magnet. It's called a lead magnet because it gets leads to come to you and come to your list, and that's basically what you want to do here. So you need to be thinking about what kind of thing would your potential customers want to download or want to use, and how can you give that to them in a easily accessible way. For example, let's say you're a YouTube gamer and you don't sell anything. Something you could use to get people onto your list is a list of the equipment you use on your YouTube channel. Now, people may be very interested in the kind of equipment you use on your YouTube channel, or maybe you give them some sort of other insight into behind the scenes of your YouTube channel, because generally you're going to be targeting people who are interested in you and people who are interested in your brand. So from a YouTuber's standpoint, that could be a very interesting thing for you to give away there. From a business standpoint, a great thing to give away is like a very, very light version of the product you're selling, or something that's complementary to that product, or some sort of informative piece of information which will help people then graduate to your product. For example, for growonyoutube.com, I've got a free giveaway of my course that basically teaches people how to use SEO to get viewers and subscribers to their YouTube channel and to rank #1 on YouTube. You'll probably see that at the end of this video, you'll see me advertising that. And at the beginning of this video, you'll see me advertising the free chapter of my book. Now, the free chapter of the book is a light version of the product that I'm selling, which is my actual book, A Gamer's Guide to Greatness. And that free chapter basically teaches them the same thing in the course, teaches people how to use SEO and how to basically bring those views and subscribers to their videos, because I'm trying to give people a win and help them with what their biggest problem generally is on YouTube, is people trying to get more views and subscribers. So I'm trying to help people with that by giving them this free information. And then if they like this free information, they're on my email list and they'll be sent more free information. But I also let them know that they can purchase my book, which will get deeper into things around this that will help them turn their YouTube channel into an actual business and help them become a full-time YouTuber. So you can kind of see the process there. People come in to learn about how to get more views and subscribers, and then they come further down the funnel and they are offered an opportunity to actually turn their YouTube channel into a business. That's the way that's working there. But I'm also giving away more free information, and if they don't buy the book, they get more free information pretty much every week for months on end. So, it's a great win-win scenario for people who sign up to my email list. So you want a free offer. That is very, very important. This lead magnet is basically going to be the basis of your funnel, which is going to bring more subscribers onto your email list. And you also want to test these offers. You don't just want to make one thing, put it out there, and that's done. You want to make multiple things and test out what works the most. I'm going to basically show you how to do this in a later video when we talk more about landing pages, how to build them, how to test against different things and that sort of stuff, and test against different offers, test different headlines. All this stuff is important and can be necessary, but really you just want to get started with something to give away. Once you start giving away something, then you have the opportunity to get people to join your email list, and then you can start seeing if that's working, or if you can create something else that maybe is more in tune with your target audience that they'll more likely want to download to jump on your email list. So that's the first step. Create a free download, put it out. Second step is to optimize that free offer and make other free offers to see which one works with your audience the most. This is really, really important, because there's no point you focusing so hard on this one offer that's not doing great when you can create another one and keep on creating and create something that actually resonates with your audience way better, that gives you a better return rate. So people who are actually viewing this page and viewing this offer, more people then actually subscribe to your email list, which is better for you in the long run. And it's just, you know, better overall. So you definitely want to be optimizing and testing. I won't get too deep into optimizing and testing right here, because that's a later stage, really. But I just want to put that out there so you know that that is something that you should be thinking about. But even just putting out multiple downloadables and just seeing which ones do the best and which ones have the best conversion rate will help you out in the long run. So definitely be doing that so you can focus on one particular thing. Also, I do believe in content upgrades, which is something different, but it's related. It's basically something that you're giving away for free that is related to the specific piece of content that you're putting out. So let me give an example. If I was to make this video here, you know, about email marketing, about how to grow your email list, and then at the end of the video, I was like, do you want to download a PDF of this video so that you can read through and learn how to grow your email list? You can go and download it here. You can put in your email, blah, blah, blah. Then basically that would be a content upgrade, because I would be giving you a free download that is related explicitly to this content. And I've made a bunch of those. I've got my content plan upgrade. I got my free review pitch email template, which I did for a video on how to request games for review. And this is good as well, because you'll generally get better conversion rates from content upgrades because they're so closely related to the actual content. So I believe you should have a general thing that you're trying to push out, like my course that you'll see advertised at the end of this video, and you should have an actual content upgrade which is more specific to the content that you're making. But obviously that will take more effort, because you'll need to be like, okay, I need to make a content upgrade for this particular piece of content, and that then takes more work. But it doesn't need to be something super in-depth. It can just be a checklist. It can just be a text version. Like I did a blog post on the ultimate guide to growing your YouTube gaming channel. I actually did a video on that as well, and then I just put that blog post in a PDF so people could download that as a PDF book and be able to read that when they want, and that is a content upgrade for that, basically. So content upgrades is something that you should think about as well, but that's in point number 1 with the free downloads. And I guess it works with optimize, because you're optimizing different posts for content upgrades, and you're finding different ways to get people on to your email list. Number 3 is you want to advertise your free offer. Now, there are many ways you could do this. You should generally do it on social media, but I personally like to do it very much through YouTube. You can also do it on your website. You can have it in the sidebar so people know that they can download your free download on the sidebar. I've got that on the Grow on YouTube website. But what I've found to be really, really successful for me is to just have a pre-roll and a post-roll ad for your opt-in. So for example, in this video, you probably would have seen a pre-roll where I offered you the free download of my chapter from the book. And after this video, you'll see a post-roll ad where I offer you the chance to sign up to my course, which will show you how I got over 24,000 subscribers or something. I'm currently over 29, about to hit 30. So we're going to update that when I hit 30. But like, using that in your content can just help you get more subscribers to your email list passively. And I think that's a great way to do it, because I just put out these videos when I want to, and I have the pre-roll and post-roll on them. And if people subscribe, they do. If they don't subscribe, then they don't. But eventually over time, you know, people see it and they're like, you know, I'd like that, let me subscribe. And then you get more people on your email list. Another great way to do it is basically using YouTube again, but using the more content upgrade route. And this is what I generally use for my Arc PS4 servers business. With that, I've got a variety of videos on how to set up your server and whatnot, and I've created free codes to give away to people. I've created 2 free codes right about now. There is a third content upgrade that I'm going to put out, but I haven't actually created it yet. But basically, I've got a video on how to raise your player and dino levels on your Arc server, and I've got the downloadable code for that in the description and on the screen for that video. So anyone watching that who wants to know how to raise their levels can get a preset code that will just do it for them. And when they download that, they're shown that they will be sent emails to learn about how to improve their server and whatnot over the coming weeks. So I give them the opportunity to know what's going to come if they do download that. And this has like, I think it's got like a 50% opt-in rate. I don't know, it's really, really high, really high opt-in rate. And I've just released another video recently for server owners that want to edit the stats for players on their server, and I've added a template for editing the players and dino stats on their server to that video. Link was in the description and on the page. So in the middle of the video, I was like, yo, this is how you do it. But if you want to download this template that I'm using right about now, you can download it from this website, and I give them the website, and it's in the description. So these videos generally do pretty well for me and do pretty well in terms of building my email list. But these videos also perform way better than my YouTube guides, because my YouTube guides, like, people who want to grow their YouTube gaming channel generally don't do research, and they generally aren't, you know, business minded. They aren't out here doing the research, trying to learn about everything. There's some of you, like right here, but most people don't. So those generally perform quite lowly, but I put them out because I think it's just necessary information. I would have loved to have it when I was starting on YouTube. And I know it will help out the people who are willing to put that effort in and willing to actually search out for the information. So I put these videos out because I want to. But most people aren't looking for that. So I've got way less numbers, way less views and whatnot. So way less conversions and way less statistics to actually see what's going on there. But content upgrades do very, very well. And general things that people can sign up for, if you're targeting it pretty well and you know this is going to hit a large majority of your audience, then you can do pretty well with that also. So you need to give away something for free. You need to maybe think about giving away something for free that's completely related to the content that you're putting out, a content upgrade. You need to optimize these things and create different types of free giveaways to see which works the best. And then you need to advertise it. You need to advertise the fuck out of your opt-in. And you need to advertise the fuck out of that offer. You can put in your Twitter bio. You can put it in your Instagram bio. I see a lot of people doing this. Putting it in their Twitter bio, their Instagram bio. I have done that. I do need to look on the stats to see whether that has been successful or not. But I just generally put it wherever I can. Like I've got my link to my 20k SEO course on my Twitter, my Instagram, and pretty much all my YouTube videos in the description. Whether it's about the YouTube guide stuff or not, it's just down there. So if anyone wants it, they can go through there and download, well, not download, but go through the course. So yeah, that is how you grow your email list. Basically, it's very straightforward. Just give people stuff for free. Give people stuff for free and they will sign up with their email list. If you're out there just saying, yo, subscribe to my email list, I've got great updates and stuff, you're going to get a whole lot less subscribes and a whole lot less people signing up. You really don't want to do that. Most people do not just want to sign up to another random newsletter or something like that. That you really need to be giving away something for free, and you'll see your conversions shoot up when you do this and you do this correctly. So I hope this video helped you out. If you've got any questions or any other tutorials you'd like me to make, please leave those in the description, in the comment section down below. Remember, I will be continuing this series on email marketing. I think the next video is going to be on how to create a landing page, which I'll be showing you like a brief example of my landing page on the screen right about now. But I'll be showing you how to create a landing page and stuff like that, so that you can basically start growing your email list and getting involved and be using this strategy, using this tool in order to better your business or better your YouTube channel, or just take control of your audience, which is very, very important. So thanks for watching. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Make sure you subscribe if you want to learn more about email marketing, about growing your YouTube gaming channel, about growing your business. This is really going to help you out. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next email marketing tutorial. Peace out. If you want to learn how I got over 23,000 subscribers and millions of views on my YouTube gaming channel, then you are in luck. Sign up to this free course right now. Link will be in the card, in the description, and in the pinned comment, or go to growonyoutube.com/20k SEO course. In this course, you will learn the best way to write your video titles, tags, and descriptions to help you rank on the first page of YouTube. It's simple when you know what to do. I'll also show you a hack that will help you choose the right key phrases and help you create videos that can rank and get views no matter what game you play. Stop struggling to grow your YouTube gaming channel and start doing what works. Click on the link in the description or go to growonyoutube.com/20k SEO course. This course will not be up forever, so get in there as soon as possible. I hope to see you here soon, and I wish you the best of luck on your journey of turning your passion into your career.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long, so all this warmth I share